Hello, my friends. So I'm here to go over and create a little tutorial for the theta sound that we use in Continuum. So again, the name of this sound is theta, and the way we make this sound is it's a combination of a TH sound, so a and an S sound, so so you sort of think of combining the TH and the S together to get a sound that sort of can go a little bit back and forth between a TH and an S sound, but really eventually you start to get this combined sound that sounds something like this. So if you could see through my teeth and my lips, you would see that the tongue is just behind the teeth and not too high up above the upper teeth and not too low below the lower teeth, just kind of right in the middle, almost where the teeth meet. And again, I mean, it may fluctuate a little bit as the sound and the air comes out through your mouth, but that's kind of the general position. So I'm going to do a few more. And I'll come a little closer. So there's a little bit of resistance too that's happening between the breath coming out, and just because it's the breath and the sound are coming through sort of the resistance of the teeth and the mouth and the lips. But you'll find actually sort of a sweet spot where it comes out more easily. So it just takes practicing with it a little bit. And again, to kind of warm up, you could practice between the TH sound and the S sound and go back and forth between them, and then start to combine them. So and then it just sort of naturally becomes more of what we refer to as the theta sound, where it's an actual combination of the TH and the S. So I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions about how to make the sound, what you're finding when you use the sound, or any specifics around the breath and the sound itself, feel free to just put a note in the comments below, and I'd be happy to help you out with that. Otherwise, enjoy the theta. So a theta is often the sound that we use when we're either trying to kind of penetrate with a sound or dropping down through the spine, but it has more of a sort of a direction, whereas the puffed O was, you were bringing the undulation, or not undulation, I'm sorry, we're bringing the sound and letting it kind of reverberate back into the body. So well, that's sort of like a wider, bellowier way to fill the space and sound, and versus the sh, which was more, still had that direction and that lusciousness of the flow that came out, but was a little wider. So the theta, it's more specific. So So that might help grasp it. But okay, so enjoy.